Is honey really a miracle cure for coughs and colds? Is honey a better treatment for coughs and colds than over-the-counter medications and antibiotics? A new review of research says yes. Though, with the caveat that over-the-counter medications don't actually offer much relief for sore throats, hacking coughs, and sniffling noses. In other words, the bar for success isn't very high. Treating colds with honey may sound a little hippy-dippy, but it's been a standard recommendation from doctors for children for at least a decade. The research on adults and honey is a bit murkier, only 5 out of the 14 studies. In the new research review, which was published August 18, 2021, in the journal BMJ Evidence-Based Medicine, included adult patients, and several of those studies included combination treatments like honey and coffee, or honey and herbal syrups.